Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enable voice activity priority. So for instance, it's just going to enable people who are actually talking, and if they're like, I don't know, eating, it's not going to be heard, I guess. It's going to lower the volume. If I'm not mistaken, it's like a keybind. If you go to user settings here, and if you scroll down to keybinds, you'll see that there's an added keybind here. You're going to go to action, and as you can see, there is a voice activity priority. You're going to set your keybind. I'll do this, I guess. So when you're in the server here and you press that keybind, as you can see, it's like a priority speaker. So yeah, I guess it's helpful if you want to talk and a lot of people are talking, but I guess what you're saying is super important. I'm not sure, but that's how you can enable voice priority activity. I don't remember. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.